Hey, it's Cory, and today I have something a little bit different from you. As you can kind of tell, I'm in a totally different sort of location. My hair is wet. I have done whatever minimal makeup I do, but today and over the next few days, we are redecorating and redesigning our office space. At the moment, we use our office for a lot of different things. I'm teaching remotely or virtually a few days out of the week, and sometimes all week depending on like what we have to do for quarantine things. My husband, he works from home all the time as a musician for the company he works for, as well as we both write music and do a lot of things. So it's a very hard-working space and it needs to just function a little bit better for us. So I'm gonna take you on a little bit of a tour today and show you kind of the before, and then I will show you the process of how we are redesigning. So sit back if you want to watch and, hopefully you get some ideas for yourself. So at the moment, this is our workspace, and technically this is actually our dining room, but we opted, rather than using our second bedroom as an office, to use our dining room space because we liked that it was a lot more open. Now, it is right off of our kitchen, and we live in a really big city where, space is pretty limited. So we've really tried to use it the best we can. But as you can see, pretty much every single wall space is completely filled with things. This is the area that I normally film in. So this is like the sofa. I put a blanket over it so the cats don't get it all furry and hairy. But things are crammed back in a corner. My space is pretty organized, not my husband's as much, but you can kind of see, we need some things to work better for us. We also have a lot of instruments and we want a way that we can show them off more beautifully. So yeah, that's kind of the situation. I have some work to do now. I need to film some videos, and then we're going to be starting to organize and stuff. So I will take you along for the journey. Ooh, the treasures one finds when you move a piano. Gross. All right, so we haven't done a lot. It feels like a lot more than we've actually done. It feels like forever. I think I just am like really anxious to get it all done. At the moment we're cleaning this. We've moved our piano into the middle of the room, and this is going to be like my new kind of filming wall. And I bought ukulele hooks. I have 6 of them. I have more than 6 ukuleles, but I figured not all of them have to be up on the wall. And I still do have ukulele stands, so we will take some of the ukulele stands and still like position them so it'll kind of be like still cute and decorative. And then also, it was really sweet. My lead teacher was really nice, and for Christmas he got me some frames, and then there are like music posters that are coming that haven't come yet. And so we're just gonna get the frames and kind of position them up on the wall because I think they're gonna be really cute in the background too. So we'll have some art and ukulele hooks displayed, and that'll kind of be the new backdrop. And the first one is up. We have 5 more to go, and the one took how long?
Like 5 minutes.
Yeah, that's not so bad. So the ones we're using are just Donner, and they're actually guitar hooks, so it makes me feel a little bit better about it rather than just being ukulele ones. Because if they can hold a heavy guitar, they should be fine with ukuleles. So 5 more to go. Looks so nice. And then in the little areas here, we're gonna put, here And here, that was just my magic finger presenting. We're gonna put the artwork, and I think it just looks real nice. So step one, done. Now we have to move the piano over there, and I also need to figure out what I'm gonna do with all of my ukulele cases now too. That dance break was brought to you courtesy of a Holly Dolly Christmas. If you haven't heard it already, you need to. 2020 has been very bleak, but I think this may be the one bright spot. So, all right. It's been actually a number of days since you last saw me, but I ended up doing some work really late in the evening, and I wasn't like really presentable to be on camera. So I am now, I would say I'm at like a 95% complete with my kind of organization of my new filming area and kind of our desk setup. So I'm just going to kind of take you around and show you what that ended up looking like. This is what it looks like. I think it came out really nice, and in total I believe we spent about like $20-ish, $25, and that was mainly for the ukulele hooks. Those are Donner ones, and I'll make sure to link them below. I just got them on Amazon hooks, and they work actually for guitar too. They have, you know, like drywall anchors in there to keep them sturdy and everything, but I was able to put up kind of my main ukuleles, which I was really excited about. I didn't really end up having a good place for the bags though, so they're just kind of like in the corner over here. But in general, yeah, this is the space. So if you haven't already seen some of my new videos, this is now where I'm filming. So I hope you enjoyed watching us organize our area. If you did, make sure to like this and let me know if you want to see kind of more things like this. This is my first endeavor with doing kind of like a vlog style of sorts. So let me know if it was something you enjoyed, or if you're like, meh, I'm good, just keep making music-based videos and tutorials, and I'm fine with that too. So let me know and I will check it out, and it will help me make content for you in the future. But thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye!